Hey there, and welcome to the UCLA Henry Samueli School of Engineering and Applied Science. I would like to congratulate you on your acceptance to UCLA Engineering and to share just how excited I am that you've decided to join us in the fall. My name is Wes Uehara, and I love UCLA transfers. I'm also the Engineering Transfer Student Resource Center Director. Our space is located in Bolter Hall 6288, right next door to the Office of Academic and Student Affairs, where your academic counselors are. We're a brand new center. We opened our doors last fall, and as far as I know, we're one of a kind. I don't know of any school, at least here in the state of California, that has a transfer center specifically geared for engineering students. The goal of the center is to help ease your transition into the UCLA engineering community and to help build a solid foundation in the first year of study here so that you are able to make the most of your UCLA engineering experience and your time here. Our transfer students have a shortened amount of time to take advantage of the array of wonderful opportunities that UCLA Engineering offers. This includes things like joining a technical design team in one of our student orgs. It includes becoming an officer in a club. It could include things like doing academic research and, of course, landing that all-important first industry internship. These professional development opportunities, enhanced learning opportunities, are vital in playing a role in your ability to sell yourself to a future employer or to demonstrate your skills while applying to graduate school. Now, both of these things are a few years off, but we do need to get started on earning or gaining these kinds of opportunities so that you can speak to them later on. The journey towards all of these experiences really begins with your performance in the classroom. With that in mind, I really encourage you to follow the direction of your academic counselors and limit your first quarter courses to 3. The center staff, the continuing transfer students, and I are very excited about welcoming you to campus. We have a whole lot of fun activities planned and resources available to you. To start, we're launching a brand new Summer Bridge to UCLA Samueli program, specifically for engineering transfer students like yourself. The program runs for 2 weeks leading up to the fall quarter and starting September 5th. That's only a few weeks away, so if this is something that's interesting to you, I encourage you to look into it right away. This program is designed to give you a jump start on your engineering curriculum. You're going to experience the rigor and expectation of the UCLA engineering classroom. You'll actually take a practice examination, before all of this performance counts. You're going to meet students in your cohort and you're going to get your hands dirty on a technical design project with our continuing engineering students. The goal of all of this is to help you understand what to expect in your first year and really your first quarter. We want you to meet people in your cohort. These are the people that you're going to continue to work with over the next years. And we want you to get a flavor for what it's like to use your engineering skills and getting your hands dirty on working on a technical project. You're going to understand the opportunities and resources available to you and how to prioritize your time to maximize what you can get out of the UCLA engineering experience. There's no cost for the program, but space is limited to the first 50 participants. There is a refundable deposit of $100, which you'll get back provided you complete the program. And for more detail on the program or the application and what you need to do before the August 17th deadline, I encourage you to visit our website at etransfercenter.seas.ucla.edu. For those of you starting your journey with us in the fall quarter, our transfer students will be paired up with a Mentor C's peer mentor, someone who's requested to work and mentor specifically a transfer student in the School of Engineering. We'll be hosting a number of workshops, info and networking sessions so that you can get to know each other over the year. And you'll hear about all of these things at our engineering transfer student reception that will follow the engineering welcome before classes start in the fall. Over the next weeks, there's going to be a lot of information provided to you. There's going to be a lot going on with the approaching beginning of the fall quarter. To help you remember all the details that I talked about, there's a handout in the student guidebook in your orientation packet. I encourage you to take a look at it. We'll also be sending an email to you before the start of the fall quarter with important dates. That'll also include information of that welcome reception where we're going to be disseminating information about all of our events. In the meanwhile, I encourage you to consider the Summer Bridge program. Visit our website, learn a little bit more about our program and what resources are available to you. or you can even stop by our office and come and say hi. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or the staff. The email address is on the handout as well. And otherwise, congratulations again on your acceptance. Welcome to our Bruin family. And I look forward to meeting and working with you in the fall. Take care.